Some more breaking news coming in at this point. This is in connection with the crackdown that's taken place on terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir itself. There has been a massive encounter in Udhampur itself where a fierce gunfight continues to rage on. Unfortunately, we're learning that one soldier has been killed in this encounter. Now, other details that we've been able to gather is that there are 5 to 6 terrorists who are reportedly trapped in the area where the encounter is taking place in Udhampur. We're crossing back over to my colleague Pradeep to bring us more on this. Pradeep, tragically, we're learning that one soldier has been killed in an encounter that remains underway in Udhampur. What's also believed by forces, as we're being led to believe, is that there are 5 to 6 terrorists which are trapped in the area.
Yes, India has intensified its counter-terror operation against all the terror operating elements operating in Jammu and Kashmir. And we have seen that during the last 24 hours, there had been 3 encounters. One infiltration bid was foiled in Uri sector. 2 terrorists, they were trying to cross over to this side. Large quantities of arms and ammunition made in Pakistan Ordnance Factory and China has been recovered from their possession. Another encounter took place in Kulgam area. Still, operation is continuing. And the third encounter started in Basantgarh area in Udhampur district of Jammu, where India got information about the presence of the terrorists in that area. While the cordon was being laid, that was the time that heavy firing started from the other side. One army person got bullet injuries. Later on, he's come to his injuries. So one army man martyred, but still operation continuing, and there are 4 to 5 terrorists still said to be believed. That clearly indicates that Pakistan is trying to shift the theatre of terror from Kashmir Valley towards Jammu region. But in the meantime, they also carried out attack in the Pahalgam area. We have seen that since then, Amit Shah was camping there, and he sent a message loud and clear from a particular area from Pahalgam. Within 24 hours, he was able to reach the spot where the encounter took place, where the massacre took place. So the message was loud and clear that they are not going to spare terrorists. Already the message has been sent to the commanders there on the ground that you have to deal with those terror elements, ensure that they are not able to raise their ugly head. And that is the message from the people. That is the message from the administration. Everybody seems to be on the same page. And today there is going to be all-party meet also, because Prime Minister Narendra Modi wants there should be total transparency. At least the opposition party leaders also know what decision India has taken, what evidence they have got against Pakistan, and what will be their future course of action, so that they can be on the same page and unitedly they can fight against terror. That is actually the stand taken by the government of India. But right now, all I can say, the operation still in Basantgarh continuing. Unfortunate incident, one army man lost his life during action, and operation continuing, and additional reinforcement has already been sent to the spot, and all entry and exit point have been plugged at this stage.